So today, in fact, we are starting with the Twitter handle wherein the entire diaspora, Goan diaspora, and more particularly the NRIs who are settled over in the various parts of the world, they can directly interact. And Twitter is one of very fast medium, and those who have the grievances, those who want to make the suggestions, those who want to um, join and make their suggestions. Those people, they can directly interact with the NRI Commission, and this is the fastest, in fact, social media medium which we have, and so therefore we are launching it today. Which many a times they need to contact the NRI Commission, and the NRI Commission facilitate to redress their grievances. Those issues also can be taken up, and those issues can be, in fact, redressed through the Twitter handle.
There used to be cases wherein they used to draw the pension from social welfare as well as 2,500, which is not permissible. One can get a maximum of 2,500. So if somebody was getting 2,000 under DSS, then NRI office had to give only 500. So now it will be integrated and it will streamline the process.